What we do impacts humanity on such a large level. We change how people drive on the way to work. We change the way people live their lives. We change the way people see their lives. We affect how you just live your life in general. Possibilities are endless.
Industrial engineering is the marriage between business and engineering. You know, it's where you take an effective use of different modeling techniques to come up with the best and most effective process. So typically people can work in almost any industry, anything that has a beginning and an end to a process. You can use various industrial engineering tools.
I believe that industrial engineering is the engineering that fits all other engineerings and business together. So it's kind of the glue that's within everything else. We're able to talk business language and we're able to talk engineering language, and we're kind of meshed in together at an operational level so that the rest of the engineering processes are able to mesh into a company's larger perspective. So with that in mind, we do logistics, we do processes, we do system dynamics, we do system modeling, and that's what industrial engineering, I think, is all about.
It's more of engineering the process, whether it's a manufacturing process or a service process, to make it better, to function better, more organized, more structured, and most efficient and an economical way. So you can take any process that can take place in any place. It could be banking, it could be hardcore manufacturing.
So it can be a healthcare system, it can be a distributed power generation system, it can be a solid waste management system. What we are doing is we are trying to find a way that these systems can optimize their own operations.
The whole idea from this kind of research is making people's life easier and more efficient, which is kind of related to what we do in manufacturing. It's like you do optimization of manufacturing process, metal cutting, making products more efficient, the same way in biomechanics or ergonomics, which is from the human point of view, which we call life science, is making those type of daily life activities more efficient.
The society basically advances in innovation, in advancement in science and technology. But then just those inventions and discoveries are not going to solve the problem, because then the next question is, how are we going to use this in the most efficient way? That's where the industrial engineers, I guess, come into play. And many new discoveries and inventions in the past actually did not become most efficiently used or contribute as much as people expected until they were customized and they were further tuned for more efficient use.
Well, if you can remember the old clip from I Love Lucy, where Lucy and Ethel are trying to wrap chocolate candy and doing an effective process with an assembly line, and soon enough you realize that there is no way they can keep up with it or whatever. But the fact of the matter is, if you were a great industrial engineer, you could have figured out a better way for them to do it, and even the most klutziest of people like Lucy, you'd be able to wrap all those candies and keep it going on that production line.
I love how I can use IE in anything that I do on a normal day-to-day basis.
What I like about industrial engineering is that you get to weigh different options when you're trying to optimize any sort of system.
We look at both qualitative and quantitative aspects of the company.
You have the opportunity to work with people.
You can really take off in several different directions.
industrial engineering